There's a powerful force at play in our lives, a silent conductor shaping our experiences. This force is ever present, yet it often goes unnoticed, like the stars that shine above us every night. We may not always see them, but they are always there, guiding us in ways we might not fully comprehend. We rarely notice it, often taking for granted its constant influence. This unseen force is like the wind, invisible but undeniably felt. It moves through our lives, subtly guiding our choices and actions, creating a delicate balance that we might not always be aware of. It's the law of balance, a universal principle as real as gravity, yet far less understood. This law operates in the background, ensuring that everything in the universe remains in a state of equilibrium. Just as the stars are held in place by gravitational forces, our lives are governed by this principle of balance. This law whispers that life seeks equilibrium. For every action, there's a reaction. Every decision we make, every step we take, sets off a chain of events that eventually come full circle. It's a reminder that nothing happens in isolation. Everything is interconnected. For every cause, there's an effect. This is the essence of the law of balance. It teaches us that our actions have consequences, and those consequences ripple out into the world, affecting not just ourselves, but also those around us. This principle governs not just the physical world, but also the intangible realms of our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Our inner world is a reflection of this universal law. When our thoughts are balanced, our emotions are stable, and our beliefs are aligned, we experience a sense of peace and harmony. It's a dance between the seen and the unseen, the tangible and the intangible. Just as the stars dance across the night sky, our lives are a dance of energies, constantly seeking balance. This dance is what gives life its rhythm and flow, and it holds the key to unlocking a life of greater harmony, fulfillment, and joy. By understanding and embracing the law of balance, we can navigate our lives with greater ease and grace. We can find joy in the simple moments, fulfillment in our daily actions, and harmony in our relationships. This unseen force, this silent conductor, is always there, guiding us towards a life of balance and beauty. Many go through life believing they are at the mercy of external circumstances, tossed about by the unpredictable waves of fate. But the law of balance suggests a more empowering truth. Our inner world profoundly shapes our outer reality. This law reminds us that we are not merely passive recipients of life's experiences, but active creators of them. Our thoughts, like seeds planted in the fertile ground of our subconscious, have the power to blossom into our reality. What we focus on expands. What we believe becomes our truth. And what we feel most deeply draws similar experiences into our lives. Consider for a moment how often you dwell on negative thoughts when things go wrong. Perhaps you missed a deadline at work and your mind spirals into self-criticism. I'm not good enough, you think. I always mess things up. These thoughts trigger a cascade of negative emotions, stress, anxiety, perhaps even despair. You carry this heavy energy with you, and it colors your interactions, your perception of the world, and ultimately, your experiences. The law of balance doesn't judge, it simply reflects. It magnifies what you put out, mirroring your inner state back to you. The universe operates like a giant echo chamber, returning to us what we send out. If we emit negativity, we attract more of the same. If we dwell in fear and lack, those experiences will find us, confirming our deepest fears. This isn't about some cosmic punishment. It's a matter of energetic alignment, like a track like. When we understand this principle, we empower ourselves to become conscious creators of our reality. We can choose to break free from negative patterns and cultivate a more positive, life-affirming internal state. Section 5. Shifting your frequency, shifting your reality. Cultivating high vibrations isn't about denying the challenges of life or pretending to be happy all the time. It's about embracing the full spectrum of human emotions while consciously choosing to focus on the positive aspects of life. It's about choosing to focus on the good, to find the silver lining, and to approach life with an attitude of gratitude. This doesn't mean ignoring the difficulties, but rather acknowledging them and still finding reasons to be thankful. When you feel good, you attract more goodness. This is the essence of the law of attraction. By maintaining a positive outlook, you create a magnetic field that draws in more positive experiences and opportunities. It's as simple and as profound as that. The energy you emit is the energy you receive. By shifting your frequency to a higher vibration, you align yourself with the abundance of the universe. Start by noticing the good in your life, no matter how small. Savor a delicious meal, relish the warmth of the sun on your skin, or enjoy the sound of birds singing in the morning. Appreciate the beauty of nature, the intricate patterns of leaves, the vibrant colors of flowers, or the majesty of a mountain range. Express gratitude for a loved one, for their support, their kindness, or simply their presence in your life. These moments of appreciation, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on your overall energy. These small acts of appreciation can shift your energy, elevating your vibration and attracting more positive experiences. By consistently practicing gratitude and focusing on the good, you can transform your reality, creating a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Section 6. From darkness to light. Our thoughts and feelings are powerful magnets, drawing to us experiences that match their frequency. When we harbor negativity, we invite more darkness into our lives. But when we cultivate love, joy, and gratitude, we become beacons of light, attracting more of the same. It's not always easy to shift from a place of negativity to one of positivity, especially when faced with challenges. But remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts. You can choose to focus on fear, or you can choose to focus on love. Section 7. The power of visualizing your dreams. The law of balance is not just about attracting what we don't want. It's also a powerful tool for manifesting our desires. When we combine clear intentions with positive emotions and vivid visualizations, we send out a powerful signal to the universe. Imagine your dreams as if they've already come true. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude as if you're already living that reality. The more clearly you can see it, the more powerfully you'll attract it. Section 8. Finding your center, finding your peace. The law of balance is about finding our center amidst the chaos of life. It's about cultivating inner peace, even when external storms rage around us. It's about understanding that true happiness doesn't come from chasing external validation, but from cultivating a deep sense of inner harmony. This doesn't mean life will suddenly become perfect, or that challenges will magically disappear. But it does mean you'll have the inner strength and resilience to navigate life's ups and downs with greater grace and ease. Section 9. Embrace the law of balance, embrace your power. The law of balance is not a guarantee of a perfect life. It's an invitation to live a more conscious and empowered one. It's about finding harmony in the chaos and understanding that life's ups and downs are part of a greater equilibrium. Balance is not about eliminating challenges, but about navigating them with grace and resilience. It's a call to awaken to the incredible power we possess to shape our reality through our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, and every belief you hold has the potential to influence your world. This is the essence of the law of balance, recognizing that you are an active participant in the creation of your life. As you move through your days, remember this: you are a powerful creator. Your thoughts are like seeds, and your emotions are the water that nurtures them. What you focus on grows, so choose to focus on what you want to see flourish in your life. You are not defined by your past, nor are you limited by your circumstances. Your past is a chapter in your story. but it does not dictate your future. Each moment is an opportunity to rewrite your narrative, to choose a new path, and to step into a more empowered version of yourself. You have the power to choose love over fear, joy over despair, and to create a life that reflects your highest vision of yourself. This choice is available to you in every moment, and it is through these choices that you align with the law of balance. By embracing this law, you acknowledge that you are the architect of your destiny. Embrace the law of balance and step into your power. Let it guide you to a life of greater fulfillment, peace, and joy. Remember, balance is not a destination but a journey, a continuous dance between the various aspects of your life. By honoring this dance, you honor yourself and the incredible potential within you.